What is going on, guys? Welcome to Blender Masterclass. Today I'm going to show you how to create a lightsaber. So first of all, you're gonna click 7 and you're gonna take your picture and drag it into Blender, and then it'll be here. Yeah, so number 7, and then we just rotate it. Here we go. I'm just gonna drag it up a little bit. Here we go. Okay, let me just do something so you can see what I'm doing. Here we go. There we go. Now you can see everything I'm doing. Yeah. So you add in a cylinder. Just lie it down like that. Just make sure it's over the picture real quick. And then scale it down. Scale it down. I like to have it right there. It doesn't matter if it doesn't align 100%, it doesn't matter. Then we are going up to this little here, and we are clicking on X-ray, and we turn it pretty far up. I keep it there, that's fine. Great, and we have to make this look almost identical, so let's do it. Yeah, so Control R, wait, here, let's just go into edit mode, of course. So Control R, just put one right in the middle, that's fine. And then hold Alt and click here, E, S, and then E, and then E again, and then click this one just to drag it up farther. Here, that's good enough. Then you click E again, oops, E, drag it up, scale it in, drag it a little bit more up, and then E, scale, S, then E, and then E again, scale up, drag up, and then S for scale out, and then E again, just drag a little bit in on S, and then E again, S for scale, a little bit up, and then E again, pull up, S. We're just gonna continue this process through this part. Yeah. As detailed as we possibly can, yeah. Yeah, here we go. E, E, and then we are here, and then E, S, scale in to there, and then scale up, and then E again, scale out, here, E, scale out, then E, scale a little bit in, and then again E, S, straight away, pull up. Remember what I said, it doesn't have to be 100% perfect. E, S, scale out a bit to there, E, and then S again, whoops, sorry, E, then S, here, E, S, E, whoops, S, E, S, there we go. That's kind of the perspective that we can rely on. And then let's just do the bottom here. Of course, So now we choose this one here. Yeah. Boom. Scale out. And this one here. Boom. Scale out. Perfect. And then down here, of course, S, and I hold shift down so you can so I can do it slower. Otherwise, it goes like this. Yeah. So S, shift, pull, and I'm just gonna pull it down to here. Then E. I'm just gonna pull it in a bit, and then E. Whoops, that was too far. E. No. Again, S. Sorry. Pull it inwards, and then E. Here we go. Here we go. These things you don't have to do right now. We'll do that in the end. So let's just pull it down to here, and then E again, and then E, S, E. Here we go. Now let's see how it looks. Up here, turn X-ray off. Would you look at that? Look at the details. Alright, so let's click here. Shade smooth. Okay, I'm gonna put it to the side over here so you can see what I'm doing. Well done! You made your first lightsaber. And of course we can make it better. But first let's put some texture on it, and then we can see about the details afterward. Let me just find an area here. You see these rails there, it's not good. So how you fix this is you go here in edit mode, as you can see, edit mode, Control R, put this in and track this as close as possible, but not actually touching. Look, it disappeared here. Now let's do it here as well. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Now there is this line here. Yeah? And we can do it again over here. There. More realism. That's what we need to do. And we can basically do that all over. So you can do that all over wherever, right? It adds more realism, as you can see. I'm just going to show you here in a second what I mean. Also, right in the middle, right there, you will really understand it after. Look here. I don't know if you can see what's gonna happen, but look there. Let's do it right in the middle. Boom. Alright. See here again. Stretch it and put this down and put this up. You see that? It becomes all perfect smooth. And that's what we want. Now I just need to fix this one here and here. So the more you work on it, the more perfect it will be. Here you can see it's all flat surface here and looks just perfect. That's what I'm talking about here. Take these here, Control R, and here you go. Instead of the rails. And it's very important, especially if you're selling products like this in the future, to make everything 100% perfect. Being perfect in this it really matters, especially if you're working for a company. It's all about perfectionist, and it will just make everything look a lot better. So I'm just gonna speed up the video till I have done this everywhere. Now we're doing this first and then textures after. And we are done. I don't think I forgot any blazes, but it looks like we are completely done with the first phase of it. So first, save your project. Save as. Blender Lightsaber tutorial. Save as. Okay. First mission complete. Yay. If you got it this far, congratulations. You have successfully completed the hard part. Now let's texture it. So let's just go after this kind of picture here. I'm not gonna use any textures because I'm too lazy to do that now. So let's just do it with shadings. Rendered. Okay, so let's go over here, drag the lamp over here, and let's go into texture mode, and we'll say new. So let's just give the first one a new texture, and let's give it keep it as what it is. Turn the metallic up, roughness a little bit down, like this. Yes, okay, that's the first part. Now we're gonna do the black part. So create new, and then we're going to material. So click number 3, and we just choose all of these here, and then all in here. Whoops. It can be a little bit tricky to choose. You have to choose the line perfectly. Boom, 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 boom. You hold Shift and Alt at the same time, and keep choosing. That's why I can keep selecting. Looks like we got it all. Whoa, right there. You see that? Barely saw it. Okay. Now we take this part here and we say I like this black, and we click assign. Boom. Look at that. Seems like I did miss a few parts. But easy fix. Tap. You go in here again. Select this. Oh, where is it? Don't want to select it. So here. 1, 2. Let's just see through. It's easy fix. Oh my god. Here, 3. Okay, and then assign. Done. Well done, well done. Did I forget here too? I don't know if... No, I did not. It's just the light. Well done. That's the first phase. Now we click the plus up here again. Click new. Then we choose the goal part. All this here. So just choose all that. Big chunk. There, there, and there. Oops, what did I do here? Here, here, and here. Yeah. And then all this here. So boom, 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 and boom. Oh, and this one. Boom. Boom. This one, this one. I missed one. There. And another one. There. And then we'll choose gold. Right about there. And click assign. Okay, that was not supposed to happen. It chose the wrong one. It's material here. Gold and assign. Here we go. Now we can just choose it right again. So let's go. Let's choose around. Let's just turn up the metallic a little bit so we can see exactly what we want. Roughness down, metallic up, and let's just play a little bit with this here. We can make it darker, lighter, whatever. I'll keep it like this here. Like that. Yeah. And again, see, we missed a spot. But easy fix. Shift Alt. Right there. Assign. It's so easy to miss spots. I promise you. But you'll get used to it fast. So yeah, this is the first part of the video, how you can create a lightsaber. We are going more into depth, of course, and how we can make stuff like this, and make it more realistic. So let's just finish the first phase here. We choose these here, and then we make it more realism, roughness down. Or up, whatever you like, to keep the realism. So see, some mistakes has happened here again. It happens so fast, but you can easily fix it. Boom, here we go, into this part, and click assign. It will happen sometimes, it's some little bugs, but you'll get used to it. Assign. And it's some easy fix. And the head we will do in the end, where we are going to make it to an actual lightsaber. Lightsaber. Saber. In the next episode we're going to go more into the depth of it and make these things and take it from there. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this episode of the first part of the lightsaber. It looks pretty cool, and I hope you'll enjoy. Give it a thumbs up and share, and get ready to make your finished result soon.